Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how to do layer masking in Photoshop. First we'll take two images. This is the first image I have taken. And now I am taking second image. Usually your images should be same in size while doing masking, but even though if it's not same size, then what to do we'll see later. You drag one image into the other image with Move tool. Now take layer palette from window menu layers. F7 is the shortcut of it. Now I want to give masking to the upper image layer. So for that, insert layer mask from the layer palette, or you can take it from the layer menu, layer mask, reveal all. I am taking layer mask from the layer palette. When you insert the layer mask in the layer, it will look like this as layer mask thumbnail. Just remember, always whenever you are doing masking, your foreground and background colors should be default. So while doing masking, keep the foreground color black so that you can erase the upper image. This black color in foreground erases the images which you don't want. And always you need to take brush tool while doing masking. Start doing masking. So now you can see that the brush tool is erasing the upper image. And you can see the back image. While doing masking, you should do masking very accurately. Where you need to do masking accurately, there you should decrease the size of the brush tool. So you can see how the brush is erasing the front image with brush tool. Now I will erase the down part of the image. That is upon you which part of the image you want to erase. You need to take care always while doing masking in Photoshop that images should be taken, those which should merge with each other properly, as if it is a single image. Now you can see this image is not merged properly because down part is of trees which is not matching with the upper image. So if you need to bring back the front image, then keep the foreground white. Because of that, the front image will be seen again. You can see how the white color brings the image back. Now you can see that back image has been seen under. We don't want like that, so for that we should take the crop tool. Crop tool crops the unwanted part of the image. So now I will take crop tool from toolbox. C is the shortcut of it. Now crop the unwanted part of the image which you don't want. See now with the crop tool the unwanted image part is gone. Hope you learned and understood how to do the layer masking in the Photoshop. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe and comment. Till then, take care. See you.